And the second thing, which we talked about this week, and there was some announcements, was around the importance of driving engagement and conversions. So if you think about mobile app install ads today, you have the app ad and installs. It's served in the newsfeed. One of the best scenarios that I like talking about is imagine a case, which is possible today. You use custom audiences. So you have a segment identified as your customers. You leverage the Facebook SDK, which is basically a line of code that you put in your mobile app. And you serve that mobile app install ad to your customers. Using the SDK, we can tell you it's only going to be served in the newsfeed of those people, those customers, who don't have the app installed already. So if you think of that situation, there's zero waste. And we can make sure to get your message only in front of those people that you care about. So typical user flow, you see that mobile app install ad says install now, takes you directly to the Google Play or iTunes store, download it, sits on your device. Going back to that stat that I said, 66% only use it between 1 and 10 times, we realized there was an opportunity. And that opportunity is what we're referring to as, well, I'll tell you in a second. But it basically allows for new calls to action. So we're allowing you to get increased engagement from your existing install base. So what we've done is we've created new mobile app units. And this is like hot off the press, and it's available today. But you can deep embed links from your mobile app into this creative. So now, instead of it says download, it says open link. Or, if you're a gaming company, you can actually ask them to play now. Or shop now, if you're e-commerce or retail. Or listen now, if you're Last.fm or Spotify or Mog or Pandora. Or watch now, or book now. And this has been in beta for several months. But we think there's a huge opportunity here that hasn't been realized to help you as a marketer re-engage those users after they've installed the mobile app on your device. And the cool thing is, it doesn't just open up the app, and it will actually take you to the link that you identify the user, the link that you want the user to go to. So up and down the funnel, we have the ability to help you create the brand awareness, drive the install, and then continue to engage. So the next one is ad simplification. I'm going to touch upon this quickly. So as part of our simplification efforts, we announced 3 things. The first one is we wanted to streamline our ad units. Going back to the fact that there was literally hundreds of different variables, we wanted to make it easier for everybody to understand and eliminate redundancies. So for instance, there used to be something called sponsored results within the search navigation. We got rid of that. There used to be a questions ad unit. We got rid of that. So we're just trying to consolidate and make things much easier and map every ad unit back to a specific objective. On September, I think it was 10th, we announced new ad formats. And the purpose behind those ad formats is just for consistency. And they all look the same, but they all have different objectives. And the third, which we're working on now, is we're going to bring the best of sponsored stories to all ads. So that social context that's so important, we're going to bring those into all ads when we have the ability to do so. So, these are the new ads that we updated. Here's just a quick example. This is a page post link ad, and this is a page post video ad. They look the same, but the page post link ad, that entire canvas drives off site. So to accomplish direct response objectives. And that video, you can see, it's much larger. And that's to drive video views. So each one of those look very similar, but again, they map back to what your objective is. Measurements. So this is something that I think we've come a long way on, and I think you've seen this in the press.